Hey guys, it is Jennifer DeVivo with our Christmas edition special. We have a beautiful new home on the market for you just in time for the holidays, which is why you see me all holidayed out. This one is amazing, guys. I can't wait to show you. If you're looking for a house under your Christmas tree this year, this beauty is the one. Let's take a look. Bad boy is 7 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 4,686 square feet, almost 5,000 square feet. And look at how they've got it just gorgeous and ready for the holidays. And look over here, guys. We have a Cuban Santa. So come on in and take a look at this gorgeous home. Guys, so we are standing again inside this gorgeous home at 3005 Falconhill Drive in Apopka. This area is incredible. You are close to the Wekiva State Forest just around the road. You're close to 436. You can get to the 429 easily. And you've got lots of great restaurants and shops and so much right here, as well as incredible schools. You have the Sweetwater Country Club, really beautiful high-end homes in this gated community. And again, we're sitting at 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3-car garage, 2 laundry rooms, downstairs, upstairs. It's something, if you need 7 bedrooms, you probably need 2 laundry rooms. And just let me draw your attention to this space here as we're coming in. You've got your formal dining room. And then as we kind of draw over to the other side, we've got this beautiful study. And everybody wants a study these days, as we know, and this one sits at a beautiful, beautiful spot. Gorgeous light. It's kind of the 1 o'clock in the afternoon here. This is a great place. You could even bring in some clients here because the house is so big that you have a lot of privacy in different areas of the home. And then let me just show you how high these ceilings go. When you're walking into this home, you're looking at 20-foot ceilings, 20-foot plus ceilings, and right over behind me that way is a 30 by 20 bonus loft game room. I mean, I don't think they make them much bigger than that. It is incredible, plus a movie room upstairs. But let's go further into the heart of the home. Look at this gorgeous designer kitchen. You've got oodles of granite countertops, your stainless steel appliances, gorgeous espresso cabinets. And when you look up, you've got your textured ceilings, recessed lighting. And this is just a place for your family to gather, a lot of kitchen. And then if you look over here, you have a great and generous breakfast bar. And it opens into what everybody is kind of looking for. Right off the kitchen, you've got a great big eating space. This is a ginormous table, so you know that you could even put a bigger table right off of the kitchen. And then if you walk over this way, look at the this great family room. Super warm, super cozy, but still a lot of space. And what everybody is also looking for, we have the master on the first floor, and we have a gym, which could be an additional bedroom. Again, 7 bedrooms. And then when you walk into the home, you don't immediately see the stairs, but you've got this gorgeous wrought iron wood stair railing. And one thing I didn't mention in the beginning of the home, you have these beautiful wood accents, wood engineered floors in the dining and in the study, and then beautiful hardwood floors going all the way up. So let's check out the master. So you can see, guys, this master is super serene, 17 feet by about 13, 14 feet. So it's kind of long and large, great for your king size, great for oversized furniture. And take a look at this master bathroom. Loving this master bathroom. This is perfect for the him, the her, the her, the her, the him, the him. And you've got a beautiful garden bathtub with mosaic inlays. You've got the his, you've got the hers, the vanities, and this gorgeous walk-in shower with your windowless, I always say this wrong, guys, but yes, you have your see-through doors. Again, more mosaics, lots of little extra features in this gorgeous luxury home. And then check out this master. This master closet, yes. Lots of room, and everything is just organized. So for all you ladies, all you dudes, you don't even have to worry about banging out your closets. It's all been done for you. And look at some of the cute little accents that they've kind of put together. This is just a great place to get ready in the morning, be inspired, and have lots of room. That's right, while I'm doing this home video, I'm getting my workout in, but look at this cool space. You've got lots of space for your workout equipment. Look how all of the stuff they've got in here, and they've done the rubber flooring. You got this really cool mirror so that you can check yourself out while you're doing your weights. And this is just an awesome space on the first floor for your gym room. You can't see behind me, but there's some shelving. You can put a TV in there, put all of your favorite workout gear. Lots of space in this home. Again, guys, almost every room has like a walk-in closet. So you've got closet space, and you've got this nice cabinet space here so you can get whatever your Zumba, they like Zumba over here going on, your own personal gym. Welcome to the second floor. This place is the bomb. I'm standing here on the little Juliet balcony, and they've got a nice little outlet here. So if you wanted to put a little desk here and make sure you're watching your children doing their homework while you, well, enjoy this incredible bonus loft game room space, 30 feet by 20 feet. It is spectacular. As you see, they have a nice gathering space here. You can put a huge television over there. And look, you have enough room for pool table, poker table, foosball. This room is the bomb. And then they've got lots and lots of games here behind us. And behind me is the incredible movie room. So this place is ready to party. Hey guys, so this is the movie room and it's a little dark in here. Sorry about that. We are getting a couple little extra lights, but dark is what you want in your movie room. And you have 2 tiers here of movie seats, and then a great space over there for a projector, your favorite widescreen. And behind me, I don't know if you could possibly see, but the owners have some of the Avengers stuff over here. They've got like the Avengers shield. They've got the Hulk fist coming out of the wall. Your kids are gonna love this space, or maybe you just adult kids, you know? Because we all know how much we really love. Well, I'm a big Marvel Comics fan, but this is an amazing movie room. Also, you can see that the doors, you can close them. So you've got double doors here. And I'm gonna watch a movie now. So this is one of the 7 bedrooms. You're not gonna see them all today, but it shows you these beautiful arched windows, lots of light. All the bedrooms are big, guys. We have almost 5,000 square feet in this house, and most of the bedrooms have really big walk-in closets, so you have lots of space for your stuff back over here. And there's another bedroom over here that has even a bigger walk-in closet, perfect for crafts. So I hope you enjoyed our Christmas home special. This house is the bomb. This is the one that you want to see. So if you want to see it in person, give me a call, send me a text, 407-921-1310. Share this video with your friends. And wherever you are, please subscribe, please like, become part of our audience here at Lotus Door Homes. And I can't wait to connect with you guys and help you find your way home.